Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am super excited because I finally bought my favorite and most awaited sunglasses, that is the RayBan sunglasses. I really want to buy this from a very long time. I really love the packaging. The box looks premium and classy, and this is looking so sturdy and the high quality. So now let's unbox this. Let's unbox with her. So inside this carton there is a RayBan case, and the leather finish is really smooth and elegant. It looks so high quality, and let's open this now and take out the sunglasses. So I just opened the case and took out the sunglasses. So this is the cloth which is given to clean it. And now the moment of truth. Oh my god, look at this. How beautiful these sunglasses are. These sunglasses look amazing, and the first thing you notice is the shine on the glasses. These glasses are UV protected, they are clean, and this is the main reason why I bought this, to protect my eyes. Honestly speaking, the first impression of these glasses is really good. I really love this, and they are looking really good on my face. On wearing this, they feel really comfortable. They are not too tight, not too loose, and sit perfectly on my face and give a very, it literally enhance my face look. So the quality is really good, and it give you a premium feel. So yeah, you can definitely go for this. This is a great option. Thank you.